stops me. Now that the war is through with me, I'm waking up, I cannot see that there's not much left of me. Nothing is real but pain now. Hold my breath as I wish for death. Oh, please, God, wake me. Oh, I'd rather I wish for death. Oh, please, God, help me. Back in the womb, it's much too real. It pumps life that I must feel, but can't look forward to reveal. Look to the time when I left, back to the tube that sticks in me, just like a wartime novelty, tied to machines